Dubplate murder. A little liar on them. Looking at where facing the welcome take man for punk. They sick of them must say mad and them must say blood clot drunk. Fucking stun somewhere you watch I pull off stunk on your confront lion you get smoke like a blunt. Kill him any second, any time, any month. Now bother try pose like a Dubplate monk. You take sound for chump, you go feel the brunt. Why? Find your sound in a trunk. Fool! Murder, 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 murder. You try to test the lion sound, you're not go further. It's murder, 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 murder. I who them the boy there? They will never heard of. Bro, stepping out the place like 3-5-4. No sound boy can come test we know. We're better than Bruce Lee and Rambo. Click, click, pow, pow. Oh, you like me now? One for the money, a two for the show. I'm going in like Geronimo. On the microphone, I'm a lyrical pro. Who better than lion? No, 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 no. Hit him with it high, hit him with it low. Take me to the speakers and the headphone. The whole place turn up when time we touchdown. We're better than Bruce Lee and Al Capone. We kill them all already and we come back alone. And just like Alaska, we come back so cold. The who tell them boys say them coulda test we. We got the artillery ever ready. Jennifer leave it on them at the with the lyrical key. And when me come out, that's a coming legendary. Jennifer leave it on the mic, the VIP. I'm the MVP, can't you see yo? Jennifer, leave it on the melody. In the house and solid. Never try but anybody yo. General, they your mama mash up the show. Anyway, we got the people like how we flow. Yeah. That's how we do it right here now. Yo, hey, some gal favored up it. 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 Me say me know one girl, she named JCT. She come in and me have to get the jiggy jiggy. But when she take off the clothes, believe you me, the gal body coming like World War III. Me say yo favored up it. Some gal favored up it. Some gal favored up it. Some gal favored up it. So what? Lyrics talker, gimmicks one. That's why they to the back leaving. So the G can will creep before you walk. That's why they to the back leaving. So the G can leave it. Just a come like a nuclear bomb. Talk to the boys, talk to the girls, talk to the woman, talk to the man, talk to the bench, talk to the young generation. I get them song, but the bang, but the ding dang. But you come to the Levy with the computer tongue. Not at the bit of the sit down, sing a ding dang, dig it up, number one. To the Levy with the computer tongue. I want champion, can do any session, any region. Come make them know we bring the hey.